This is grade 4, Module 3, Lesson 24, and the objective in this lesson is to determine whether a whole number is a multiple of another number. So we're going to look at this grid here, and it comes from question number 5 from the homework, and we're going to do parts A, B, C, and D. Okay, so let me just blow this grid up a little bit. Okay, so part A says underline the multiples of 6. When a number is multiplied by 6, what are the possible values for the ones digits? So let's go ahead and underline the multiples of 6. And so I have 6, 12, 15, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 78, 84, 90, and 96. Okay, so those are the multiples of 6 there. So the next part of the question says, what are the possible values for the ones digits? Well, we have, let me just write this over here, part A. For the ones place, we have a 6. We have a 2, we have an 8, we have a 4, and we have a 0. And then it goes through the same rotation. So let me just put that in numerical order. 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Okay. Part B says draw a square around the multiples of 4. So let's do that. I'm going to change colors of multiples of 4. Okay. And then it says look at the multiples of 4 that have an odd number in the tens place. What values do they have in the ones place? So the odd number in the tens place would be right here, 16, 36, 56, 76, and 96, and 12, 32, 52, 72, and 92. So the one thing that they all have in common in the ones place is they have a 2 or they have a 6. Okay, so part C says look at the multiples of 4 that have an even number in the tens place. What values do they have in the ones place? So the ones that have an even number have a value of 4 in the ones place. They have a value of 8 in the ones place, or they have a value of 0 in the ones place. And then it says, do you think this pattern would continue with multiples of 4 that are larger than 100? And I believe yes, it would be. So even a student can continue counting. So even if they came back up to the top and said, okay, this was 101, 102, 103, 104, they would be putting squares around the same numbers. Okay, so part D says circle the multiples of 9. Okay, so we did that there. And it says choose one. And what do you notice about the sum of the digits? So let's choose 27. And if I find the sum of the digits, 2 plus 7 is 9. Part D also says choose another one. So let's choose 63. And what do I notice about the sum of the digits? It's 6 plus 3 is also 9. So when a number is a multiple of 9, the digits will add up to 9. Okay, so I just said 2 plus 7 equals 9, and then 6 plus 3 is equal to 9.